নমস্কার, আমি লালিয়া দত্তগুপ্ত সংস্কৃতি কলকাতার তরফ থেকে আজকে 190th episode is a beautiful episode on Bengal handlooms, Bengal jamdanis, pride of Bengal. We'll see some lovely weaves from various forms of fabrics, a variety of jamdanis also in matkas also. So let's get started. Watch till the end, you will love the program. First product, it's Bengal cotton jamdani, Dhakai jamdani, soft Dhakai jamdani without zari. There is zari but very little touch of zari only in the pallu part. The body doesn't have any zari. Price 3,650 rupees. It's a beautiful woven soft Dhakai jamdani with the weave is in Korat weave. It's a particular form of weave where you get this cutout lines. This is why we say Korat weave. There's very little touch of zari in between the flowers, very little, and little bit zari in the pallu. The rest is all woven. This is the sari. Black and charcoal black and white color combination with a touch of red. These doesn't have blouse pieces. Even if they have, they are not sufficient, and it's better not to cut the blouse pieces. It's better to wear it with a solid red or a black color blouse, which will look very nice with these cotton dhakais. Soft, very soft polish, soft cotton dhakai, 3650. Product number 1 without blouse piece. These are all Bengal product which I'll be showing you in this episode. Product number 1. Now coming to product number 2. It's a similar weave in magenta, Rani magenta and orange color combination. Just see the beautiful Korat weave. The color combination is very vibrant and it's so soft. It has a beautiful fall. Ideal for gifting during weddings, for anniversaries, for totto when we have to gift to many people during the wedding season. 3650, a beautiful combination of Rani and orange color with very little zari in between the flowers. No blouse piece. Like I said, there is a very small blouse piece, so it's better not to cut the blouse piece. It's better to wear it with a pink color, Rani color blouse will look nice, or a printed cotton blouse piece you can wear. Orange and white printed blouse or a Rani and orange printed blouse. 3650 for product number 2, Bengal cotton soft Dhakai. We have done previous episodes in Dhakai also, so more options. You can check out our Sanskriti Kolkata YouTube page, previous episodes on cotton Dhakais. Many options you will find. They keep coming, so those are available. You can have a look at them. Now this is pure cotton, hand woven, Bengal cotton, Mathapar in olive with a weave of blue, pallu, exclusively hand woven pure cotton with blouse piece. It will have a running blouse piece. This is the blouse piece of the sari, Rani color with the border, with all over booty, no zari. All over booty will be in blue and this pista color, blue and green color buttas all over, small buttas. Mainly is the comfort of the fabric. These are pure cotton handlooms, so these are lightweight, very soft and very comfortable, and cottons, those who love pure cottons, pure handlooms will love this product. Ideal for office wear, for any evening occasions. You can really these are very classy. And the pallu, see the pallu part, the prices are all mentioned in the screenshot that is provided. Just take the screenshot of the product and WhatsApp to any one of the number provided. This particular piece is in pure cotton handloom, 3990, 3990 rupees. I have another color in jet black. See the weave in the pallu, and all handmade tassels is also there. This is the woven border and the pallu. Again matha par. Let me hold it this way, you can understand. See the richness of the fabric, the texture and the border combination. It's a dual tone deep red with rustish orange color border, dual tone border. With the pallu, same 3990, it has a running blouse piece. The blouse piece will be in black with the border. But again, you can wear a red ajrak blouse or a red orange kalamkari blouse. This too has buttas in orange and red all over. Extremely classy, and these are all pure handloom Bengal cottons. Another color combination is the red with a tussar color border. You know, for haldi ceremony also we need cottons, you know, in the mornings and all. It really looks very nice on wearing these pure cottons. Wear them with your silver jewelry or your gold and simple costume jewelries. These are very beautiful hand woven saris. See the dual color combination of deep and light tussar color border, both the deep tussar and a lighter shade of tussar in a very bright scarlet color, beautiful shade of red, both side border, and also it will have a running blouse piece. This is the blouse piece of the sari, red with the border. As I said, these are very fine pure cotton, hand woven from Bengal. This is a borderless sari, all over similar weave. Now I'll show you the design of the weave. It will be in horizontal stripe, fully woven. This is a very typical booty in Bengal cotton, very typical booty. And see the resham inch border, just it's a inch border. This is the pallu. This is the blouse piece. So the pallu and the blouse is in maroon color and the body will be in fully hand woven, totally woven sari. See, and wear it with this blouse only because the blouse and the pallu is related. And see the lovely handmade tassels. Beautiful sari, pure cotton. It's a biscuit color. I have a navy in this, two color, navy and the previous beige color that I showed you, biscuit color. This is in magenta and navy combination. Two-tone, all over woven, navy blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. So the pallu and the blouse piece is exactly same. Very smart weave, ideal for corporate wear, for gifting also, and it's very reasonably priced also. The price of this is 2,750 rupees. in pure two-tone all over woven cotton. Once again the blouse piece. Borderless. Now I'll show you a linen. This is a striped linen. Pallu. The body will be in beautiful stripes, sky blue color. These are organic linen and these are heavy quality pure organic linen, not the blended ones. This is the blouse piece. The sari itself is very fashionable, a very fashionable pure linen, organic linen sari. With this you are getting a running blouse piece. Along with that you will get a silk ajrak ready-made blouse. A pure silk ajrak ready-made blouse, modal silk ajrak blouse piece, ready-made blouse. Size will be 34, 36 and 38. 3 sizes available in the blouse, 34, 36 and 38. Full close neck, front open, side open. It has a zip fitting. So very smart looking ajrak blouse along with the pure linen sari. Now coming to stable jamdani. Stable handloom Bengal cotton. It has a slight blend of matka in this, hence the shine is there. With a zari border, bright zari border all over buta. Beautiful rich texture with jamdani pallu and blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. The orange is the blouse piece and the pallu will be in orange jamdani pallu. See the beautiful woven buttas all over the sari will have these buttas. Jamdani is a very old art form in West Bengal, from Bengal, and we are very proud of our Jamdani weaves. Jamdani is done in variety of fabrics. There are many fabrics that are used to weave a Jamdani. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to show you the blouse piece, which you can just, there is a blouse piece with this, but again we are showing some extra blouses so that you can mix and match with this. Like with this is going very well. 1 meter cotton, this is Sanganari print blouse piece, 695. 695 for this blouse piece. You can take only blouse piece, you can take only sari, or you can take both, whichever is it. Not necessarily you have to buy both, you can buy separately also. So this sari is going very well with this printed blouse, so it will give a new look to it. So 695 for the blouse piece, 1 meter, and the sari is already mentioned. The sari price is going in the screenshot. So what I was saying is Jamdani is done in a variety of fabrics, actually, and we are very, very proud of our Jamdani weaves. So these are the Jamdanis that I am showing you, done in stable cottons. These are cotton silk, actually, weaves of silk and cotton with a zari woven border and all over buta. Like I said, a beautiful turquoise jamdani pallu, woven jamdani pallu, and a turquoise blouse piece. since this color of the blouse is so pretty, it's a teal blue color blouse piece, so I am not giving options of an extra printed blouse. This blouse itself will look very pretty because the pallu is also in teal blue. It's a beautiful shade with jamdani weave, and the body color is coral color. It's a deep peach coral, you can say, color. Beautiful piece. I have another color in this, which is with olive. The pallu will be in olive. 3900. So within 4,000, you're getting a very pretty Bengal weave sari in cotton silk. Stable, we call this fabric stable handloom, and with a blouse piece in olive two-tone. All the while I was holding it double fabric, so this pleat wasn't coming. This is the pleat that will come. The whole look, the fall of the sari, you can understand. The ones that I was showing you, the fall will be beautiful fall with a jamdani pallu, and with this you can have a look at this printed Sanganari printed blouse piece. 695 rupees for 1 meter. Home wash, no need to give lining, pure cotton, 695 for a meter. I have another very pretty color, but in this both the borders are woven. Very pretty Firoza color with Ganga Jamuna border. Both the upper and the lower border will be woven. Pallu, again geometric woven. Two-tone, very pretty color combination. The upper part blue will be turquoise, the body will be in Firoza, and the lower part will be in lime green. And this has a contrast powder blue blouse piece also. Ganga Jamuna border. This is the blouse piece. So this will also look nice definitely. But at the same time, I was just thinking of this blouse. A blouse can change the whole look of a product. This is beautiful rapid print, again 695 for a meter, big width. Another very pretty color combination is in moss green with again Ganga Jamuna matha border, narrow sleek border, and see the color combination. The upper part will have the bigger buttas, floral, and the lower part. Both the upper and the lower part will have buttas, and the body will have small pretty cute booties all over. All these are woven. Another cotton silk, very pretty resham sari, 3900 with running blouse piece. This is the running blouse. If you want your pleats to be more, you can go for this option, blouse piece. How does it look? So these are all pure cotton printed, block printed blouse pieces. Price of this is 995 rupees, vegetable dye print for a meter. This is the pallu. Very smart, very unique color combination. Moss green with red, with rani and orange. Ganga Jamuna border. This is the pallu and this is the sari. I have a black in this also. Black with again same rani and orange border. It's a huge sari and the width of these are also very big. The woven pallu. Cotton resham. Very comfortable fabric. It has a beautiful fall and it is, it looks very smart on wearing. These are the new weaves that has come up. It has a running blouse piece. This is the blouse piece with Ganga Jamuna border. See the color, it's a charcoal black color. This is jet black what I am wearing, slightly, in cotton Bengal it doesn't, pure cotton, the handlooms are a bit charcoalish color combination, so this slightly difference. And with this you can try this blouse piece with this. The price of this blouse piece is 950 rupees. These are not mentioned in the screenshot, so I'm telling you the price. It's a 1 meter blouse piece. 950 rupees is for the blouse piece. You can take it along with the sari or separately also, or you can buy just the sari. Not necessarily you have to take both, but it's giving a different look. Now coming to again stable cotton silks. Rich parrot green, with a beautiful broad mohapar skirt border. This is the pallu in magenta, bright magenta. 3900, product number 153900. This is the blouse piece that I thought of with this. Yellow and rani. This is 695 for the blouse piece, 695 for the blouse piece. And the sari, the upper border will be narrow border and the lower border will be very broad border. Very smart weave and also a very rich color combination with a bright blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. See the richness of the fabric. Beautiful color combination. See closely the weave. This is the back side of the weave. Another very gorgeous color combination in slate and red with again magenta border. Pallu with a red blouse piece. Very gorgeous red blouse piece. Let me open this sari. I feel very comfortable, you know, when I can open and show you. I feel happy and, you know, contented, you know, because it feels nice that you can see the whole product properly. This is the blouse piece and this is the sari. So I do definitely try to open the whole sari to get the whole look of the product. This is the pallu, and with this again I had kept a blouse with this. Yeah, this is the blouse piece which I thought of with this. Very pretty slate printed, same magenta and navy printed blouse piece. 750 rupees is the blouse piece price and the sari is 3900. 750 is for a meter blouse piece, but the sari blouse is also very rich, so you can mix and match also. Now coming to pure matka with muslin jamdani, price 8990. Now what is muslin? Muslin is thread which is more than 100 count and it can only be hand woven, so the sheer fabric, the jamdani weave looks really exquisite in the sheer muslin fabric. So since it's muslin and I said sheer, this is the jamdani weave, hand woven, zari border with leaf and floral motif throughout, with a touch of sequins. Half the sari is fully jamdani, the rest of the sari is pure matka. This is pure Bengal matka with matka running blouse. This is the blouse piece. I'll show you many range in jamdani. I'll tell you the difference in prices also, why this is 8990 and why this is. Half the sari is jamdani weave in muslin and it's hand woven. The whole body is in pure matka, but the blouse piece is in cotton silk. So it's not a running matka. It's better they've given cotton silk because it'll be more long lasting for a blouse, fitted blouse. So this way it's only 8,990 rupees and fully woven, half till your hip. See the pallu and see the gorgeous weave. 8990 with self sequence woven. I have a red in this, a red rani color combination. Again half sari in red, fully jamdani multicolor weave in florals with self sequence. Can you see the sequence? This is woven, not attached. This is totally woven when the sari was being made. So here is the pallu, the body in jamdani, the pleats, half the sari from your hips comes the silk matka, and then a contrast red matching with the blouse comes the blouse piece in stable handloom. This is the blouse piece. The blouse piece is not 100% silk, but the whole body and the pallu is silk. Rani and red color combination. Product number 18. Now coming to product number 19. exquisite hand woven, very exclusive tussar Korath woven Jamdani. This is tussar and this is cotton woven. The border is also matha par. Tussar color with white woven. This is the single sari, single part. See the weave. Very fine tussar, very fine tussar. Otherwise, you will not be able to weave this. These are not like we say desi tussar, tussar by tussar. No, these are pure tussar, hand woven in Korath weave and very fine quality. Otherwise, if you give very thick quality in tussar, then you will not be able to get the feel of this. Like chicken, we usually do chicken work in semi-transparent georgettes, then the work stands out. This is a gorgeous sari, beautiful sari, and this is the running blouse piece. The blouse piece will also have the Korath woven border. This is the blouse piece sari of the sari. Very elegant and very classy and very unique. It's a one piece sari. I just grabbed it from the weaver. Very pretty sari, and with this a fully hand embroidered 2990 tussar blouse piece. Of course, you can make the sari blouse that will look very pretty. This I am just giving an option. A wholly embroidered jacket blouse, front, back, sleeves, it's fully embroidered in tussar. These kind of blouses will also look nice. We have more color options in these blouses. Hand embroidered blouse pieces. And the sari is absolutely stunning piece of art. Like I said, Jamdani is woven in variety of fabrics and this is one of them. 11,800 for this beautiful tussar woven sari. Absolutely mesmerizing weave. Pure hand woven silk matka. 22. This is 12,900. Hand woven Jamdani pallu. It's a solid color red silk matka, pure silk matka. Matkas are very expensive fabric. Pure matka, what I mean to say, pure hand woven matkas are very expensive, and this is one of them, an exquisite full red matka sari with a hand woven Jamdani pallu in pure muslin. Silk muslin, and what I say, see how well the Jamdani, these are our absolute pride in showing these Jamdanis. Width is big, the length is big, and it has a running silk matka blouse piece which you can of course make the blouse, or you can leave it. You can use this blouse and wear it with some other saris also if you want a contrast blouse piece to go with this. Very fashionable sari, like you can wear these kind of very beautiful statement jewelry with this. And we have the no blouse piece I've kept with this. It's a beautiful, you can wear a printed blouse also, but this blouse will also look nice if you want to highlight your jewelry. Beautiful sari. Especially I want to show you closely the hand woven, the back side. See, it's totally hand woven Jamdani. 12,900. Beautiful sari. Another hand woven beauty. 15,900 15,000. I see the weave. These are all needle jamdani, fully needle jamdani in pure silk. See, the width is huge. You can wear it with this blouse, but sari blouse is also pretty. This is an Ajrak cotton blouse. 950 rupees is for the blouse piece. 950 is for the blouse piece. In case you are interested in blouse pieces, 950 for this brown Ajrak blouse, and the sari is, I mean, you can see it for yourself. The color is also very rich color, very uncommon rich color, running blouse piece. These are actually, you know, extremely, you may say it's a 15,000 sari, but no zari and matte finish, matte look. Yes, it does have no zari, and yes, it has a matte look. But the fabric, the weave, the concept, the whole, the count of the thread, everything matters for because of the price. This is the reason why this is 15,900. Absolutely hand woven, pure silk muslin, original hand muslin. No resham is added in this. It's muslin. See the colors. It's a peacock blue color. Rich, gorgeous, pure matka silk, needle jamdani, hand woven. Blouse piece, running blouse piece. You know why we've given this solid color, not much anything in the body? Because we want to highlight the pallu. It takes months, 3 to 4 months to create these jamdanis. Even though it's just the pallu and body buta, it takes months to create this handmade needle jamdani. And see the prominent work, the prominent weave. 15,900. 15,900 for this silk matka jamdani. With this, you can try this blouse piece. This price is 790 rupees. 790 for the blouse piece, and the sari is 15,900. See the lotus buds in between the weave. See the beautiful, I mean, really a beautiful weave. Silk border, Ganga Jamuna. Silk matka with the border in silk. The border is not matka, the border is in pure silk. And here the jamdani weave comes along the border. And the pallu. See the back side. Fully hand woven. Totally hand woven. Color combination is equally gorgeous. Very heavy quality pure silk, and this is the blouse piece. The blouse piece will have the border. This is the blouse piece. The color is very rich, Firoza and turquoise, very pretty. And with this, if your daughter wants to wear this sari, you can make her wear it with this blouse also. It's a printed cotton blouse in blue, deep and light blue, 425 rupees a meter. 425 rupees meter for this cotton printed blouse, block printed blouse. And the sari I have already it's mentioned. See the pallu part also. Exquisite hand woven. Border is a very heavy quality silk. Another color I have in this is a midnight blue color, 17,500 midnight blue. These are very pride. It gets a it's a pride in our wardrobe. Fully hand woven in silk and the body is in matka. You have this printed blouse if you want. 950 is for the blouse piece. 950 rupees is for the blouse piece. What a beautiful, gorgeous piece. And yes, this is the blouse piece. Very rich colors I am showing you. I am sure you will get options. We have two branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. Near Baliganj railway station, we have another branch, that is 12 Jamil Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. We have car park. Sundays we are closed. Cash on delivery only in Kolkata, outside Kolkata via courier. And Sundays, as I said, we are closed. Courier charges are applicable if you want the blouses to be stitched. It can be done. After payment, we'll transfer your number to the tailoring department. You can discuss with them about the measurements and the designs of the particular product, and we can ship it to you. This is also a very pretty chandan color, especially for the mothers to wear during their daughter's wedding and all. Beautiful. It's a jamai boron shari. Beautiful. Very pretty. The in-laws can wear during their children wedding. Beautiful sari. I mean, it's a very traditional sari and a traditional combination. Those who wants to avoid white and red, they can always go for this gorgeous rich color combination. And with this, we have this blouse piece also, if anybody wants to combine with you. This is a blouse piece. This is 695 for a meter. 695 for this printed block printed blouse piece. It's also going very well with this. But again, first preference, make the sari blouse. If somebody wants to add or you want to mix and match, then go for this second blouse piece. See the pallu. Beautiful. I mean, I have no words to say. The saris will speak today. Today I'll keep quiet. Whatever I've explained, I've told you from the beginning about the form of muslin and the jamdanis and about matka. This is the blouse piece, running blouse piece. But now the saris will itself speak for themselves. This is beautiful color. Very elegant with this pallu. This ajrak will look very nice with this. 495 rupees. 495 is for the vegetable block printed 1 meter blouse piece. And the sari price is already mentioned. Just take the screenshot of the product. After the payment, please send the screenshot of your payment and the address, name, address, pin code and phone number along with the, after the screenshot, please give your address in one format. White. 9,950, a gorgeous white jamdani in muslin, pure muslin, needle jamdani, pallu, full body buta, matha par in rani color, body in matka, pure silk. Absolutely stunning. With running blouse piece. Now coming to what I am wearing, I will show you the colors in this. These are linen jamdani, rich colors, silver zari with rich gorgeous dual tone colors. Now this is magenta, dark wine magenta tone, big border, big buttas and beautiful one side big border, and it has a all over butta also till your pleats, and then a running blouse piece. This is the blouse piece of the sari. The sari blouse is very pretty, and this is the pallu. And the silver zari is little antique, so it's beautiful. 4990 for the sari, 4,990 rupees. You can go for these kind of, we have silver blouses, gold silver blouses like this. These are also available 1250 for a meter. $4,990 for the sari. I am wearing a black color. $4,990. Again, it has a running blouse piece. Running blouse. The neck piece that I am wearing is 1,450 rupees. 1,450 is for the neck piece. 1,400. 1,400 is for the neck piece. Only the neck piece is 1,400. It's a very smart, you can wear it with westerns also. My cuffling is 1,400 again. Again, it goes very well with silver saris or your westerns also. 1,400 is for the cuffling. You can open easily. The neck piece, again let me show you. It is 1,400 for the neck piece. 1,400 is for my cuffs. And the antique 3-layered ghungru statement ring is 2,200. 2,200 for this gorgeous antique look, it's giving a very feminine look. It's a beautiful uncommon neck ring. 2,200 is for the statement ring. Again, you need nothing, just wear this with a black shirt or a sari, anything. This will really look nice. It has 1, 2, 3 layers thick, and you can open easily because it is adjustable. Any size will fit. 2,200 is for the ring. Sari 4,990. Cuffs, this is 1,400. The neck piece is also 1,400. So this is the complete look today. Now even the mannequin is wearing a purplish color, burgundy color, silver zari. The ready-made blouse is 2000 silver. We have sizes 36 and 38, and this is another color combination, another option that you will get. The one is magenta, wine color. One that I am wearing is black, and this burgundy color. 3 color options in the product that I am wearing. And this is another linen jamdani with pallu weaving. Price again 4500. This is pallu woven. Body with this weave, leaf weave. This is not silver zari, this is thread weave. Only the center part is zari. Inch border woven, and it has a totally contrast blouse piece. Gorgeous sari, beautiful sari. Borderless sari with buta, linen, lightweight, big width, jamdani pallu. Contrast blouse piece. And this off contrast, it's really looking different. Wear it with this blouse. Very pretty, very gorgeous sari. I have another rich color combination, the last one in this episode. A beautiful navy color. The blouse piece again will be in matte maroon, matte reddish maroon. Body is in deep navy, two-tone, deep royal, or royal also you can say. It's not royal blue, it's more of navy blue. This is the pallu jamdani weave. So today's jamdani episode, all ranges I showed you, minimum range to the maximum range. There is more higher range also all over muslins, they cost lakhs also. So for today, this is the exquisite jamdani episode which we have in stock right now. I'm sure you like the program. Please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching till the end.